It's a beautiful day in the QuickBooks space, a beautiful day in your business place. It's your bottom line, money and time. Since we're together, we might as well say, won't you be my QuickBooks neighbor?
Welcome back to the next episode of QuickBooks and More. I'm Beverly Lane, and I want to answer one of the most commonly asked questions to anyone on my team. How much does QuickBooks cost? And while I'd love to be able to tell you that there is a one-size-fits-all answer to that, there's not. It is dependent upon what your needs are, how many users you have, if you want to be on the desktop version, a hosted version, or QuickBooks Online. So in order to make sure that we right fit the customer, we like to speak with each customer personally to understand their business needs, their workflow, and then to customize their QuickBooks accounting system and third-party apps to tailor to their needs. So in order to do that, let's have a call. Check the link below and you'll see the link to my calendar. Schedule a 15-minute consultation. It's free, and I'll help you decide what QuickBooks is best for you. Until next time, keep loving QuickBooks.